Let me show you how to use the Bluetooth mode on your Ajazz AK820 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard. So what's absolutely cool, we can actually connect this keyboard directly to any PC, laptop, or also phone or tablet without any dongles using the Bluetooth mode. So if you flip over your keyboard, so you see you have the switch first, which you have to switch to the BT mode to be able to actually access the Bluetooth mode. Also, what's cool about this keyboard, it also has got 3 different frequencies for Bluetooth. So it can actually be connected to 3 different devices at the same time, and you can easily switch between the devices. So if you want to place it in a pairing mode for Bluetooth, so what you have to do is you simply have to press the function button plus either the Q, W or E. So this Q is for the channel number 1, number 2 channel is a W, and E is number 3 channel. So you see, I will simply press and hold the function and then the Q, for example. It will enter the pairing mode after maybe like 5 seconds. You'll see BT1 pairing. That means we can pair our keyboard. For example, if you want to pair it with a phone or a tablet, you simply go in your Bluetooth settings and you see it appears here. So we can click that, click pair, and it should be good to go. So you see, for example, I can start using my keyboard here, and you see it works straight away. So if you then want to connect also to another device, so for example, let's say a computer or laptop, let's switch then to the next mode. So again, function plus W. So I will press and hold this to enter the Bluetooth number 2 pairing mode. So I will simply pair to another device. So, okay, let's leave that aside. So you basically want to go in your computer. So this is, for Windows 10 or 11. You simply open your settings on your computer, click on the devices, Bluetooth devices, add Bluetooth or other device, Bluetooth, and you see it was able to find it here. So let's click that. Okay, so you see there is a time basically limit. So you see again, function plus W. Hold it for some time. Now let's be a bit more quicker this time. Okay, let's click again. So you see, good to go. So so definitely time limit here. So then as you see, if I start typing here, RD works straight away. And then, you can also connect it to a third device as well at the same time. And at any time, if you want to switch between the devices, for example, between your computer and your tablet, let's say. So again, simply press the function plus Q once. It will switch to the this device. So you see, if I start typing here, it types on my phone and nothing happens on my PC. But if I want to switch, so again, I'll simply press the function plus W. So you see it's linking in the mode number 2, success. And so you see, if I type now, it gets typed on my laptop. So you see just how nice it actually works. Okay, good luck.